Hey guys!
Welcome to our channel. We are
Roberto
and I'm Magdalena, and today we're going to show you 3 different intermediate bachata movements which you can dance on your next party. In case you're having trouble with the movements, make sure to check out the description where we will link the other tutorials which are very detailed so you won't miss anything.
Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental. Dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta.
So now with counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We start with a basic first in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, we bring our hand here to her biceps, and from here we open in a circular motion the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start turning her, so we end up afterwards in the shadow position. Now that we have the connection here with our hips, and here the whole right side of our body, then we do a big body wave where we sit down in 5, 6, 7, tap. Now we do the reverse body wave in 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure to give her a small impulse so that she comes down. And now 5, 6, 7, 8. The woman comes slowly back to us and we end up tapping in 8. Now we do a basic 1, 2, 3, tap. We prepare over here and we do 1.5 turn for the woman, and we do our basic in 5, 6, 7, 8.
So for the follower in the shadow position, make sure that when he opens you, that you open your whole upper body, and you have to make the step back, like he steps in your way, so you have to open. Now when you turn, make sure to search for the connection with the upper body and also with here the hip. When we go and make the body wave, sit down and keep the connection with his hips and with his arm. You also have a little connection with your arm here. Now when we do the reverse wave, make sure to open to the roof a lot and be very big. And when you go down, make sure to keep your back very straight until you go down. And on 5, you start bending your back and you go up again like this. But you go step by step with your spine, and the last thing that comes up is your head. And don't forget to tap with your left when you come up. Then we go back to the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you're going to do 1.5 turn to come back into the normal basic step.
Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental. Dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen.
Now with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, we start with a basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to open and do the pretzel. So we go 1, 2, prepare, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we are in the pretzel and we are here connected, we have the connection in our hips and also in our shoulders. We do a side wave, the man, and the woman a body wave, and we are going to sit down. So 1, 2, 3, tap. Now we do the reverse body wave in 5, 6. We go big outside, and now we're going to push the lady with this hand backward. So in 7, 8. we have to keep this connection here because now we're going to bring the lady back inside in 1, 2, 3, tap. Now we are in 4, so we need to do a half basic in 5, 6, 7, 8, and we open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we start with a half basic step and start turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we do the big body wave now for the follower here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to have your knees really turned outwards so you're very stable and you can't fall. And you have the connection with the leg of the leader here. So when we do the reverse body wave, make sure to open a lot. My head really falls to the back and my chest shows to the roof. So I open a lot here and my legs are straight. Now when he brings us down here, you have to make sure that your arm is straight and that you keep the connection, because in the moment that you don't have your arm straight or you lose the connection, he does not have any control anymore to bring you back in the movement. So when you go into the movement, make sure that your back is really bent a lot and you bring your chin to your chest so the movement looks even bigger. And when you come back, make sure to make a real body wave. And not forget the hip movement at the end, because otherwise the movement looks like you just stopped it.
Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le pagó mal.
Now with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, we start in the closed position and now in 1 we go diagonally to the back. So we go by twisting. In 1 we twist. Now in 2 we step in place 2, and now in 3 and 4 we walk in this side diagonally to the front in the right side of the lady. That means it goes 3, tap. Now we open diagonally to the other side in 5, 6 comes back to in place. On 7 we go back, 7, and we tap in 8.
When we do the Madrid step with turn, we start with a normal Madrid step. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 4 we start turning to the left side. It's a normal lady turn. So we go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let us know in the comments below what you think or if you have any questions. And make sure to like the video. We hope to see you in our next video.
Bye.